Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on Zoom video conferencing. I'm Dr. Katie Kinney with the Scribe Writing Center at Covenant Theological Seminary. During this tutorial, we'll be covering how to control your audio and video options, how to virtually raise your hand, how to access the chat window, and how to share documents through the chat window and through screen sharing. When you move your mouse over your Zoom window, a menu appears. On the left-hand side, you'll find the microphone and camera icons where you can control audio and video options. It's good practice to make sure your microphone is muted when you are not speaking during a large group meeting. This cuts back on background noise for the whole group. Clicking on the microphone mutes the audio you are sending to the group. You also have the option of muting your video that you are sending. If you are having trouble with momentary freezes in your video feed, it's a good idea to mute. This might be a symptom of low bandwidth or other internet connectivity problems. You have two options for how participants are arranged on your screen: Gallery and Speaker View. In Gallery View, all participants will be shown in equally sized boxes. Imagine the Brady Bunch grid. In Speaker View, the person currently presenting or speaking in the conversation will be automatically enlarged and centered on your screen. While I cannot currently demonstrate how to switch between those because I'm the only person in this Zoom conversation, the option will appear on the upper right-hand corner of your screen when you hover your mouse or move your mouse over your Zoom window. You may find that Gallery View is more effective for smaller group meetings, while Presenter View presents a clearer picture for large group or class gatherings. You may also want to have your participants and chat windows open during the meeting. The next segments of this tutorial will explain the options they provide for participation. When you have a question or comment, you can alert the meeting's host by virtually raising your hand. Access the menu bar and select the Participants tab. On this screen, you see what the host sees, but as a participant, on the bottom, where I have the options to mute all, you would have the option to raise your hand. This would put a small hand symbol next to your name, alerting the host that you have a question or a comment to share. The chat window, which is also available in your bottom menu, can be used to communicate through text and also to share documents. You can choose to either share a chat message with the entire group or with an individual member of the group. You also can see the documents or files button would allow you to load a PDF, a Word doc, any sort of file you have that then everyone could download and have accessible. Another option for sharing documents during a Zoom conference would be to use the screen share button down here. If you click on this button, you will be given a menu that has all of the currently open programs or windows on your screen. If you select one, perhaps a PowerPoint or a Word document or PDF, everyone in the Zoom conference would then be able to see what you are sharing on your screen. You would have control over the mouse, navigating through the document. No one else would be able to do that. But if you wanted to read something simultaneously together, or in other ways examine a text or a PowerPoint slide, that's how you would project it onto everyone else's screen, is through the screen share button in the center of the menu. If you have any questions or want to practice being in a Zoom conversation, do feel free to reach out to the Scribe Writing Center. We're offering online consultations with which we always use Zoom conferencing to arrange our conversations. Appointments can be made through the library website. If you also have any other questions, please feel free to email us at scribe@covenantseminary.edu. Thanks, and bye.